I'm the laziest person you know. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and today we need to talk about something. So, staying motivated, staying on top of it, problem solving, staying focused, wanting to learn, all these things are kind of all tied in together. What keeps you motivated? How? That's what you have to figure out. So, I'm the laziest person you know. Okay? I'm the laziest person I know. And what I had to do was I had to figure out how to stay motivated. And it took me a while. You guys keep me motivated. The feedback I hear, the people that I help, making this bigger than me keeps me motivated. Figure out what keeps you motivated. So you might be saying he's doing all this. I will still tell you and openly, honestly admit that I'm still 50% effective. I still waste 50% of my time because of the way that I'm wired. Just that is who I am, and I understand that. So I have to figure out what I have to do to overload to just do parts of it. So if I know I'm going to do 50%, it's taken me decades to figure this out. So if I know I'm going to do 50% of what I'm supposed to do, I have to make my obligations 200% for a regular person. So then I come back and I do 50% of that, and I'm at 100% of it. I have to work 3 times as hard to get 80% of the stuff done that a regular person does. So I just want to give you guys perspective on this. Do not beat yourself up. Find out what keeps you motivated. If it's getting a study buddy, do that. If it's teaching somebody else, do that. If it's making a list, do that. It doesn't matter. Try, figure out, experiment. If you're doing something and you try it for a week and it doesn't work at all, try something else. Find out what it is. And I still have to remind myself that I started this channel over 3 years ago now, and I was so ineffective the first 18 months. I would just have these huge gaps. If you would ask me, I would have said, no, I was so busy, I did so much. I had a 2.5 month gap that I completely wiped from my memory. So embrace that. So I can't tell you this enough. I am lazy. I have to battle that all the time. I get distracted all the time. I get little side. I have to have a list of things that I need to do over and over and over again and look at it and set timers and do this. So I promise you, if I can learn how to program in Python, anybody can. Okay? So we're going to keep working on this. Next video, we're going to finish up our calculator for tkinter, and we're going to keep moving. But do not beat yourself up. Use that energy to find out what works for you. And as always, please drop any comments, questions, any video requests below. You want to figure out what works for you, I'll even help you. So there are resources out there to keep you motivated and moving. I'll help you figure out which one works. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.